What's up, everyone? With the first part of the year being here, here we are towards the end of January already. I just want to take a minute to say I think it's a great time to take a second look at your organizational chart. If that's something you haven't looked at for a while, or if it's something that you've never done, then it's probably a good idea to dig into that and get one done. It's something that if you plan on growing at all, it's good for everybody in the team to be able to see what the possibilities are. I want to know that, hey, there's an installation leader position coming up. There's an installation manager position that's open. There's a service manager position that's open. It's good to know that because then there's something to strive for, what can I do to get that position? I hope you get some people that ask you that, within your company. And even if you only have 2 or 3 people, still make an organizational chart because what are your growth plans this year? This is part of it. Like, how many people do you hope to add by the end of the year? And what do those positions look like? Are they just an apprentice? Hey, that's not a bad deal either, because if I've been with you for a year or two and you add an apprentice, well, now I'm above the apprentice. Now I can be a mentor and a teacher to the apprentice coming on board. So it's just important to be able to see what your plans are for the future. That's why organizational charts are so important, because if you don't know what that picture looks like, and nobody else in your team knows what it looks like, then nobody knows where what the direction of the company, which direction the company is actually steering towards. So it's important to go ahead and get an org chart filled out. I'm not sure where you can get that. You can build it on Canva, canva.com. You could build one really easily on there, or I know if you're good at Excel, you can do one on Excel. I suck at Excel, so I couldn't do one on Excel, but if you know that program, you could do it there. Word, I'm sure you could do something in Word. But I use Canva for a lot of stuff because I can build, a lot of stuff in there very easily because I'm real familiar with that program. And it's all just stored online, and you can get a free, get a free account on there. But organizational charts are really important, and so don't skip that step. Be sure to get one. And now is a great time. If you have not, even if you got an old one that you've been using, let's revamp it. Go ahead and revamp it and get it posted where everybody can see it in your organization so they know what's available. And that gives everybody something to strive towards, because we all need to be striving towards something, or we're not going to grow. And if you're not growing, you're dying. So check it out and figure out what you want your company to look like here by the end of 2019. I'll talk to you guys soon. We got a killer podcast coming out next week, so be sure to check that out. HVACuncensored.com. Appreciate all you guys' support. It's awesome. Can't say how much I just thank you guys. So thank you so much. Appreciate you. And wishing you a blessed, crazy, successful 2019. If you're not following this journey, I want to make sure that if you decide to sign up for any of my courses at HVACServiceReady.com, go for the membership technician course, the technician membership course, or the business membership course. That's the route you want to go for getting a course. And it's a package, so you get quite a bit in each one. So be sure to look for that. You can't always see that on the first page. When you go to HVAC Service Ready, it only shows so many courses on one page. But if you scroll down to the bottom, it shows page 1, page 2. We'll click page 2, go to the next page, and you can see the rest of the stuff that I offer. So be sure to look into that, and if you're interested, I'd be honored to help you along this journey, to grow your career, to grow your business. And if I don't know it all, never will claim to know it all, but I've owned my business for over 10 years now, so I've made a lot of mistakes, and that's why I did the courses. All the courses is just to help you avoid some of the mistakes that I've made, because some of them are extremely costly, and more so than a dollar amount, they cost me a lot of time, and time is what I don't want you to waste when you're growing your business. So please check it out, www.hvacserviceready.com. Check out the membership portion of the courses. Hope this served you guys. Be good. Go make money.